Hi everyone, welcome back to How Logical. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to play Bigo live games. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and if you are not subscribed to How Logical yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, press the bell icon so that you'll be notified as soon as we post a new video. To play games on Bigo Live, tap open your application first. From the home screen, tap on the round icon in the middle of the bottom and swipe to Game Live. Add a title to your chat and then tap on Choose Games. To play any game, make sure that the game has been installed on your device as well. After that, tap on the game and tap on Go Live. Tap on Start Now, and that is how you can play games on Bigo Live. If you liked the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll surely be back again with more tutorial episodes soon. Thank you for watching.